In this video, I'll show you how to make Google default browser in Microsoft Edge. So let me show you step by step. First up, open up the Microsoft Edge. After you open the Microsoft Edge like this, so now click on this three dot, scroll to down and go to settings. After you open the settings, now click on this privacy, search and services. So under this option, scroll to down and select the last option, search and connected experience. So from this option, now select the last option again, address bar. So from this option here it says search engine, so now click on this option. So by default it will be is in Bing, so go ahead now and choose this Google default. After you choose the Google, so the next thing to do, now close the browser. After you close the browser, now click on this, open the browser again. After you open the browser, now if you are going to search something from there, it will use Google as your default browser for you because you set it. And that's it, guys. But if you set it and still it's not working, so just go ahead now and update your browser by clicking on this three dot and go to this help and support, and then go to this, as you can see now, about Edge. So from there it will give you all update for the Edge. After you update it, go ahead now and try again. And that's it, guys. If this video helps you out, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next one.